stadia are fitting home to the giants of the world game, FC Barcelona. Barcelona against Manchester United. I'm Peter Drury, and here with me in the commentary box, I'm glad to report, is Jim Beglin.
Glad to be here, Peter, and I'm ready to rumble.
Towering header! He will be livid with himself.
Fati will probably beat himself up after as the sole culprit. Well, the first attempt hasn't quite drawn first blood, but they've got a slight edge.
He's on his way, and he's searching through. Longley, and it's Griezmann. Griezmann plays it wide. Messi looking to get on the end of this. Messi. Pogba.
Well, the further he went, the more attention he attracted. There was just way too much pressure for him to get the shot away.
Now it's Griezmann. Just the goal. And Messi! Goal! Barcelona! Barcelona are in front.
You know, thinking about that, I think they've perfected that on the training ground because it took them sense to get the ball from back to front, and they really commit forward numbers too. That was all very well drilled.
Boasting played out to the right. Well, they are working very hard to get it wide now, Jim.
Yeah, that's true.
And is that how you're seeing it?
Yeah, I think they've decided to concentrate on working the flanks to help the production line. It's where the room is.
De Jong has a go! Maguire. Pogba with the ball through. He's through. Cavani gets through and he's gone for it! Junior. Fati. McTominay does well there, alert. And it's James. Now the counter. And big chance! Goes for goal! He's missed another one.
They're just lacking a cutting edge, Peter. While that's fairly obvious, the rest of their attacking play is actually quite good.
The ball's come loose and the chase is on. McTominay goes looking, and it's Fernandez. And that is going to be the final action of the first half. There you have it, a close fought half of football, but one that still had its moments. Ultimately produced just one goal. So off we go once more.
Well, I'm sure the managers talked the talk, and now it's time for these players to walk the walk and deliver a rousing response to a rousing team talk.
Messi. Philippe Coutinho. Out wide to the right. He's got away. Dest pumps it into the area. De Jong. De Jong! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Well, as tests go, Peter, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
He'll have a dip! It's a carbon copy of their previous miss. That's been lever clear. It's Busquets! Ball's loose, who's getting there? Whistle's gone, that's a foul. And no surprise, that's a booking. Barcelona are leaving men forward, threatening to break.
Well, if they're not putting the work in by getting back, they have to deliver with this tactic.
Piqué tries to get it forward quickly. And it's Cavani. Philippe Coutinho. Griezmann. Can't get the better of his opposite number. It's a loose ball. He's left his man. The referee's awarded a free kick. Can he score? Saved only by poor finishing.
Well, he did get himself into a good position, something for him to cling to.
Ball's out on the left now. McTominay played it forward. Tries a through ball. James going through. It's a brilliant interception. Sergio Busquets.
Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
Room for it. Hits one! Should have equalised.
Well, the lead may be fragile, but the keeper was focused and strong. Peter, they have to fight the onset of desperation and keep enough cool heads to still deliver.
Same again, same outcome. Played it short. Wan-Bissaka decides to play it back. Cavani, big chance! He's missed another one. And it's been taken short. And it's Wan-Bissaka. Can he put it away? Last-ditch defending, but that'll do.